shakalaka, Bitcoin price is about to get squeezed, which could initiate a very violent move for Bitcoin, plus a rumor you definitely want to buy before the news breaks that sends Bitcoin price intergalactically. Stay tuned. What's up everyone, Randall here from Crypto Love. I know we've been having a lot of bull porn on this channel lately, but things are about to break. It's been sideways movement for quite a while. The price is about to have some very violent movements, and it could be propelled by this rumor that you better buy before the news breaks. Before we get started, guys, make sure to like, subscribe, click the notification bell. Also, come join us over on Twitter, where every week we give away one of these sweet shirts. So, as we can see on this chart here from John Wick, Bitcoin squeeze initiated. You can see it right here underneath this yellow line and this green line right here. We've now entered a zone of coiled up volatility indicated by the yellow shading. Violent move incoming and imminent. This tells you time to start paying attention. It can resolve as a squeeze breakout or fake out in the coming weeks. So we can see Bitcoin prices getting squeezed in this little wedge right here. Could break out to the upside, could also fake out down and then break out to the upside. And there is a rumor that, you better stay tuned until later when I tell you what that rumor is. Now, we see this amidst fundamentals that would say, hey, Bitcoin price is going to go up higher. We see total assets of central major banks skyrocketing. The ECB be like, zoom, we can fly. Take a look at this. The Fed, we know that the Fed has printed a lot of money recently in red, but the ECB, even higher, BOJ, PBOC, all of them printing more and more money. And that, but not only that, if we take a look at another fundamental, the overall fear of the entire markets. Take a look at this. People are about as fearful as they were in Bitcoin back in March of 2020. If you remember March of 2020, that would have been like the best time to buy. That's when Bitcoin was $3,000 before it 20x'd. Well, now again, potentially we have extreme fear, a great time to buy. Guys, do you remember a few months ago when Bitcoin was $65,000? This was extreme greed back then. Now it's extreme fear. But not only that, fundamentals like this, Bitcoin miners have been accumulating for over a month now. The miners aren't selling. Not only that, but traders are withdrawing 2,000 Bitcoin a day from centralized exchanges. The number of Bitcoin available is dropping significantly. And as we see here, any Bitcoin sold are being scooped up by Rick Astley's. Another tick up in the Bitcoin movement. There's a big divergence between price action and fundamental investor activity right now, growing stronger. Last time this happened was way back here in October, before Bitcoin price broke out from $10,000 to $65,000. But that's not all, because even with all of that, we still, this blue line shows here, we have more net users growth. It doesn't look at all like any of the previous tops. This looks like just an uptick. Net user growth keeps on growing even though the price has come down. And likely, this could, based on past Bitcoin prices, this could lead us to roughly a $250,000 Bitcoin by somewhere around September to December of this year. And this is calculated by the developer who created the Colin Talks Crypto Bitcoin Bull Run Index, cbbi.info, which now turns out you can actually tick and untick some of these categories to take a look at exactly what you want to see. So definitely check out cbbi.info. Now, all of this stuff, insanely bullish for Bitcoin. I mean, I feel like we're just looking at bull porn. Like, that's all we do on this channel anymore, because right now, even though the price is going sideways, every metric is saying, hey, the price is going to go up. Well, this potentially could be the rumor that sets the fire under Bitcoin price. The price has dropped 50%, allowed everybody to scoop up the Bitcoin they want, and now we have the BSD, the big swinging dick Apple, potentially bought $2.5 billion in Bitcoin. Now, this isn't confirmed, but this is a rumor, and there's a saying, you buy the rumor, you sell the news. When it's confirmed, that's when you sell. You want to buy the rumor, you want to buy before everybody else. So, Galaxy Trading on Twitter saying, rumor that Apple's purchased more than $2 billion in Bitcoin. Rumor has it Apple will make an announcement that they've purchased $2.5 billion in Bitcoin. So, while it may or may not be true, think about what could happen. if Apple bought a bunch of Bitcoin because potentially they want to have a Bitcoin wallet on every iPhone and they want to start offering Bitcoin for sale through the Bitcoin wallet on their iPhone to compete with PayPal. Potentially, if they did something like that. Remember how PayPal started this bull run? In case you don't remember, the price basically went up like this, right? PayPal bought, and then the price went up. Well, potentially Apple buys, price goes up. So all of this looking great for Bitcoin. Now, on the other side, because I do want to stop looking at all this bull porn, let's look at a little bit of bear porn, because heck, if you might as well see both sides of it, right? Well, it turns out historically great trader Thomas Bulkowski, his name's right here. He has a great trading site that I've used many times. He says potentially the next crypto bear market could be the worst yet. So based on Elliott wave theory, he's saying potentially we have a rising or falling consolidation that could move significantly downward. So as you can see here, this on a logarithmic scale Bitcoin price is in this rising wedge, and with Elliott waves 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 going up, this diagonal pattern potentially could fall down all the way to what he says $1,000 to $3,000 low. That's insane. Is it completely out of the realm of possibility? No, it's possible. It's very insane, but it's possible. Now, also in the news today, Cardano, the developer portal, is live to celebrate they minted the world's first NFTA on the Cardano blockchain. Building Cardano is now easier with brand new content and resources. So you can check out the Cardano development portal at developers.cardano.org. You can check it out, get started developing on Cardano. So going to be a lot of interesting projects there. Like, for example, the first DEX on Cardano. That'll be pretty interesting. Talking about DEXs on platforms, how about the PancakeSwap on Polygon called DINOSWAP? That's right. Starting soon on Polygon, we're going to have DINOSWAP right here, and you can check it out. They aim to leverage the Polygon ecosystem, provide cross-chain liquidity for L1s, AMMs, and projects. Check out DINOSWAP. Could potentially be the next PancakeSwap on Polygon. So, great news for Bitcoin. Great news across the markets. I'm just sitting and waiting, being patient for Bitcoin to eventually explode, because I have a feeling that, we may not see Bitcoin at the current prices for much longer. So if you did enjoy that video, make sure to like, subscribe, click the notification bell, and I'll catch you later. Love you. Peace.